In this video, we're going to take a look at creating a custom title screen for your Flowlab game. I want you to head over to Google Drive inside of your Tech Ventures 7 folder, and then inside of the Game Design folder. And I want you to go ahead and click on this New button. Go to More, and we're going to choose Google Drawing. Now what we have to do is we have to set up the page so that it fits our canvas inside of our Flowlab game. So in order to do that, we're going to come over to our Flowlab game, and we're going to click on Settings, and we're going to take a look here at the width and the height. Now each one of these cells is 32 by 32 pixels. So what we have is we have a width of 20 of these cells, and we have a height of 10. So in order to get the page set up correctly, what we have to do is we take our width and we multiply that by 32, and that gives us the number of pixels wide that our image has to be. And then for our height, we would do the same thing. We would take the height in cells multiplied by 32 pixels, and then that would give us the height of our canvas. So 20 by 32 is 640, and then 10 by 32 is 320. So inside of my Google Drawing, I'm going to go to File and Page Setup. And then here, I'll go to Custom, and I'll choose Pixels. Again, mine is going to be 640 wide by 320 tall. Again, I got that number from my Flowlab game settings. Yours may be a little bit different, but you want to make sure that those match up. And so this right here is now going to fit. I can right click on that. I can change the background color. Now what I've done is I've already created one that I'm going to be using for my game. I just added a couple of text boxes. I added a couple of shapes. I added some text to that. So this is going to be what your users see when your game first loads. And then in the next video, we're going to take a look at how do we turn this into a clickable button inside of our Flowlab game. But for now, what we have to do in order to get this into Flowlab, we're going to have to go to File and Download. And then we're going to download this as a PNG. And then I'm going to put mine inside of my game design folder. It'll automatically call it the same name as what you had for your Google Drawing name. And I'm just going to save that there. So now I'm actually going to have this image, this PNG image, what I can import when I get back to my Flowlab game.